This is Unit 030, Aqua Tower. And when you enter, on your left side, your kitchen. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng copper cabinet. And then, in your right side, malaki yung kanyang toilet and bath. Mataas po yung ceiling niya. Pwede ka maglagay dyan ng mga drawers. And then, here is your living area. Spacious din. This is a one-bedroom. Mataas po yung ceiling and then open sa taas. So, yung aircon mo sa kwarto, magpo-flow din yung lamig papunta dito sa living area, dito sa buong unit. So, one aircon, kung 1.5 inverter siya. So, I think one aircon is enough. So, this is your bedroom. Sliding on door. Yan. So, kung magko-queen size ka, queen size bed is okay. Then, over here, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng cabinet. Or, if you want, here yung cabinet mo. Pahaba, yan. And then, this is your balcony. Alright. Ganda yung layout itong 30. Then here, you're located yung intercom, main switch. Ayan. Ready for range hood. Meron siyang grease trap. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng storage for your kitchen utensils. And over here, your refrigerator. Alright.